Athia, thank you so much for joining us. Tell us about what you're wearing.
I am wearing, I wish you could see it. It is a bee print garden bomber with a choli sports bra and a lehenga. It's been inspired by athleisure and Indian. I feel athleisure because we've spent the year at home and I feel that's the only thing we've been wearing. And Indian because it's glamorous, it's fashion week, and yeah, so that's what I'm wearing today.
All right. Compared to previous times, how was it to walk at FDCI Lakme Fashion Week this time round?
It was actually really special. The location is beautiful. I love the fact that everybody's in their cars and then you can spot people. So it's really exciting. It has a great vibe and energy. Everybody has been extremely careful and cautious, but at the same time, we've been able to celebrate fashion and clothes and outfits. So it was a great amalgamation of everything.
If you had 2 minutes to get ready for a date, what would you wear?
What would I wear? I would wear jeans because I'm a very jeans person, and a nice white shirt, maybe red lips and a little bit of blush, and that's it.
What is your fitness routine like?
My fitness routine, I work out about 4 to 5 times a week, mainly strengthening, weight training, and I've recently introduced yoga into my fitness routine, which I'm absolutely loving.
Take us through your beauty routine.
My beauty routine, I've actually recently become very conscious about the products that I use on my face. Has to be animal cruelty free. And I feel like less is always more, so I concentrate more on skincare than the makeup side of it. So just make sure that I cleanse, a really nice moisturizer, hydrate my skin, an under eye cream. So I have a morning routine and a night routine, which pretty much is the same. The night one is just more steps to it.
Right. Well, I have written those points down in my mind. Now, Athia, whom do you follow on social media for fashion inspiration?
I love Kendall Jenner, Bella Hadid, Hailey Bieber. I feel like their fashion is very to their personalities, and I've always noticed that they wear the clothes rather than their clothes wearing them, and I think that's really important. And they're unapologetically themselves, which I feel is great.
Which Indian do you reckon is a fashion icon for you?
I feel like Rekha ji, because even today I just love her Kanjivaram and Banarasi saris and the way she carries her outfits. I love Sonam, the way she is just always on point when it comes to dressing. Yeah, I feel like these two people would be my favorites.
All right. Tell us about some of your favorite movies growing up.
Favorite movie would be Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. So growing up, it would either be Kuch Kuch Hota Hai or Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge, because I've grown up watching those films. So I think I relate and I most admire them.
All right. Fashion-wise, what's on your last list?
On my last list, I feel like honestly, we've been in such crazy times. I think it's very important for us to be conscious and to be aware of the environment we're in, to practice sustainable fashion, to be wearing clothes and fabrics that are sustainable for our environment. So actually I've been doing a lot of homework on brands that are more sustainable, and I've started ordering and I've started wearing more of them. And I think even Selfridges, I feel during the pandemic have done such a great job to kind of curate sustainable designers and wear for the shoppers. So I think that's amazing.
Okay. If not an actor, what would you have been?
I would be. I've always been I've always admired what happens in a magazine office like Vogue or Elle or anything. And yeah, so Devil Wears Prada, I would love to be Anne Hathaway.
All right. So, what, according to you, is the most fashionable film or TV show that you have ever watched?
Devil Wears Prada and Sex and the City. I just feel like they're so effortless and classy and just they embody like everything fashion and beauty and art.
Talking about effortless, your dad is so effortless. What is the best fashion advice that you've received from him and your mom?
My mom and my dad. My dad has always told me to be comfortable in whatever I wear. I feel he's always been an advocate of that. I've also heard like generally from people, and I believe in this, there are no fashion faux pas. I feel like fashion is very, very subjective. It's a way someone expresses their emotions and their feelings and what they're going through. So I don't think any designer can ever have a bad collection, or any designer or anybody doesn't have a bad outfit. I feel like it's very, very subjective.
Thank you so much, Athiya.